are going to make paper piping bags. Sometimes you'll hear them called paper piping cornettes. Sometimes it's hard to say that repeatedly. Try it. Anyway, you need a piece of parchment, you need a nice sharp knife, and even a flexible one is a even better choice. Here's a selection of them that Chef Payne and I have already made. So I'm going to take one piece of parchment and I'm going to fold it over to make a triangle. And I'm going to crease the edge of that triangle really well. And then to cut it, I'm going to run my knife along the side of the table so that the table doesn't interfere with my hand. If I was trying to cut it up here, the table would be in my way. So I want you to make this size paper cornet. And you just repeat that process. The long side of your triangle will be the hole of your piping bag. So you want to make sure that that is a really nice clean cut. If you struggle with this, feel free to use scissors. Okay. So to create a piping bag, so imagine you're standing across from me, the 90-degree angle, I'm pointing away from myself. So I have the 90-degree angle pointed away from myself. All of these points need to meet each other to make a cone. So you have to fold it over on itself, pick it up from the table. Here my points are all together. Now I need to pass the outside point away to meet the inside point at the front of this bag like this. You don't want them to cross over or you'll have problems. So now that I have them pointing towards each other, meeting in the center, the front of the bag, all I have to do is pull up on this outer wing to close that hole. Can you see how that's opening and closing? Opening and closing. So once I have it nice and tight, I take my top wing, fold it over, and I'm going to secure it in a flap that's created in the center of your bag. So there you have a nice piping bag. And we'll use these to pipe our motifs.